Alright guys, welcome back to ATech Flow. Today I have something really interesting on the table. This is the LLANO A580 all-in-one wireless TX transmitter, and honestly, this is one of the coolest gadgets I've tested recently. Imagine being able to wirelessly transmit your phone, laptop or tablet screen to another display instantly, without Wi-Fi, without cables and without any complicated setup. This could be useful for streaming, presentations, gaming or even content creation, and the crazy part is that it basically works plug and play. So in this video we're going to unbox it, test it, set up, and let's see if it's worth your money or not. Let's go! Alright guys, as usual, let's start with the unboxing. So inside the box you get the LLANO A580 transmitter, the HDMI receiver, a USB cable for the receiver, and of course the user manual. The design is actually really clean and compact. The transmitter has a USB-C connector, which means you can plug it directly into devices like smartphones, tablets or laptops that supports USB-C display output. And then the receiver connects to your TV, monitor or projector through HDMI. So already the setup looks extremely simple. So how does this actually works? The LLANO A580 is a wireless video transmission system that lets you mirror or transmit video from one device to another without cables or Wi-Fi networks. Basically, plug the transmitter into your source device, plug the receiver into your display, and within a few seconds they automatically connect, as you can see it now. No drivers, no app, no complicated setup. And now let me show you guys how quick the setup actually is. First, I'm plugging the receiver into my monitor using HDMI. Then I'm connecting the transmitter into my phone via USB-C. And within about 5 to 10 seconds, the image appears on the screen. And that's something I really like, because normally for wireless display setups you need Wi-Fi networks, screencasting menus or third-party apps. Here is literally just plug and play. And another important thing is the latency. Because if you're streaming gameplay or using it for presentations, delay can ruin the experience. The LLANO A580 uses dual-band wireless technology to keep latency extremely low. In my testing, the delay is very small, which makes it totally usable for gameplay streaming, live demonstrations, presentations or screen mirroring. It also supports up to 4K decoding, so the picture quality stays sharp and clear on bigger screens. Now let's see the OBS and the streaming features. If you are a content creator or streamer, the receiver can connect to your computer via USB-C and be detected as a webcam source inside OBS or streaming software. That means you can stream your phone gameplay without needing a capture card. So instead of buying extra hardware, this device basically handles everything. And the transmitter even has a built-in microphone which can capture audio directly. So where could you actually use something like this? Here are a few scenarios where the A580 makes a lot of sense. For example, you can stream mobile gameplay directly to your computer. For presentations, connect your laptop or phone to a projector instantly. Or content creation, it's perfect for recording phone content through OBS. Or if you want just home entertainment, mirror your phone to a bigger screen without cables. So it's actually a pretty versatile small device. And another impressive part is the wireless range. The A580 supports transmission distance of up to around 100 meters or about 328 feet in open environments, so you are not limited to being right next to your screen. So after testing the LLANO A580, here is my thoughts. What I really like: the plug and play setup, no Wi-Fi required, very low latency, great for streamers and creators, and it eliminates the need of capture cards. And the size is super compact, so it's also very portable. For anyone who does streaming, presentations, screen mirroring, this is a pretty handy device. So guys, that was the LLANO A580 video transmitter, and I absolutely can recommend this product. It's very handy, very compact and very smart. And thank you LLANO for sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It was a pleasure to test it, and it was really different like the other products I received recently. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I will leave the Kickstarter campaign in the description below. And let me know in the comments below guys, would you use something like this? And as always, hit the like, subscribe, bell the ring the bell, whatever. It was Akas from ATech Flow, it was LLANO video transmitter from LLANO, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.